Alright, let's dive into the world of PancakeSwap and the Cake token. Ever wondered what the Cake logo stands for? Cake is the governance token for PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap, the biggest DEX on Binance Smart Chain. All on Binance Smart Chain, usually lower fees than Ethereum. So what is PancakeSwap? It's a decentralized exchange. Swap tokens, provide liquidity, earn rewards. Cake isn't hard capped, no max supply. The team burns tokens regularly to balance supply. For example, they burn 10% of Cake collected on lottery tickets. And they burn half of what's raised in initial farm offerings. Half of the Cake raised in IFOs gets burned forever. If $1 million is raised, then $500,000 worth of Cake tokens will be burned. Getting started is easy. First, connect your crypto wallet to Binance Smart Chain, MetaMask, Binance Chain Wallet. You'll need to customize MetaMask with BSC's network details. Once you're in, make sure you have BNB to cover transaction fees. Think of BNB like ETH for Ethereum. Ready to trade? Swapping tokens on PancakeSwap charges a 0.2% fee, 0.17%, returned to liquidity pools as rewards for liquidity providers, 0.03%, sent to the PancakeSwap treasury. To earn, provide liquidity by depositing 2 tokens in a 1:1 ratio. You'll get flip tokens representing your share. Stake those flip tokens in yield farms. Start earning Cake. Syrup pools let you earn tokens from new projects. Projects distribute tokens to Cake holders and gain listing priority. Pancake Lottery lets you try your luck for a jackpot. One lottery ticket costs 10 Cake. You get a random 4-digit combination, for example 1932. Match numbers to win. The first prize is half the lottery pool. Initial farm offerings launch new projects and raise funds using Cake BNB LP tokens. The project gets BNB, PancakeSwap burns Cake tokens, and users receive the project's tokens. Cake tokens equating to half of the total funds raised will be burned forever. That's PancakeSwap in a nutshell. Swap tokens provide liquidity and farm to earn Cake. Try it out, but remember, always do your own research before diving in. Explore PancakeSwap and stay safe.